Do I need a contractor's license to start a solar panel cleaning business? And the answer is no. Now, you don't need a contractor's license to start a solar panel cleaning business, but there are some permits and there is some licenses that you will need to get started. And it can be confusing because, well, this industry is still so young and it makes it difficult to determine where we actually fall in the service industry. So there's like no boxes to check for the solar panel cleaning. So there'll be a lot of different options, and depending on your individual situation and your location will determine on which route you want to go. But in this video, I hope it helps clear up some of those questions about licensing, because I'm going to explain the differences in what's available so you can make the best decision for yourself and your exact situation. Also, I wanted to mention that we're raising the price soon on the Solar Panel Cleaning Academy, so if you want to join dozens of others in the best-selling Solar Wash training program available before the price goes up, check out the links in the description and the pinned comment. There's only 22 spots left at this price. So inside the academy, you will find a clear and concise, step-by-step, easy to follow along video training on how to start your solar cleaning business. And it's all in one place. And inside the program, I'll teach my exact methods that I use for pricing, my marketing strategy, the equipment I use, and a lot more like admin, safety, and on and on. So check out the pinned comment. So I will say this, that getting your first client is going to be easy. And I promise it is. And I got my first handful of customers by going door to door. So if you have more time than money, this is the method that I'd recommend doing, is get out there and start knocking on some doors. But before you do, I recommend checking with City Hall, because some local governments, they do require you to have a solicitor's permit to knock on people's doors. Also, you could just Google solicitor's permit with your city, and then the search results should be able to help you determine if you need one or not, and actually how to go about obtaining one. So now you got your permits, you're going to need to set up a DBA and get a business license. And keep in mind that your business cleans solar panels and you're not certified to do any type of maintenance. Cleaning is the key word when you're filling out these forms. Well, because you'll need special certifications for maintenance. At least that's what I've been informed, the way it works in California. So there's two routes that you could go with this, and if you're just starting out and you're running a one-man show, you could choose to operate as a sole proprietorship. There is an important note to keep in mind with this route. It is that a business that's ran as a sole proprietorship will not have legal separation between the company and the business owner. The owner and the company will be considered as one legal entity. So this basically translates to the fact that you as the business owner will be personally responsible for all debts and legal obligations of the business. And this is arguably considered the biggest drawback to operating this way. So a better option would be to set up an S Corp. You have more benefits when it comes to tax write-offs, and it also covers your personal assets in case of an event. So let's say you go and you damage somebody's home, they can't come after your vehicles or your house. If you're running as an S Corp, they can only come after the S Corp's assets. So I hope it helps clear this question up, or whether or not you need a contractor's license. So as far as a contractor's license go, the answer is going to be no. Because you're not maintaining the panels, you're only cleaning the panels. So you need to get a business license, set up an S Corp, and don't forget to get insured. We'll go into insurance, but that's a completely different video. And also I go over the exact way to sign up for insurance, because again, there is no solar panel cleaning boxes to check. That's something that I also go over in the course. There's a small loophole that you can operate on as well. So if you're just still thinking about starting and you're not sure if you will like it or not, so you don't want to invest a ton of money or set up the LLC just yet, you can go down to City Hall, you get a business license for say your janitorial service, get insurance, and then you can charge by the hour. This method may also require you to get a home occupation permit if you plan on running the biz out of your home. Now, if you're renting like a commercial space and you're running the business out of that, you may not have to get the home occupation permit. But if you're running out of your house, which most people probably are going to do in the very beginning, then you're going to have to get a home occupation permit. This method does require you to renew every calendar year. So if you start out in December, keep in mind that you will need to renew your license and your home occupation permit in January. And also, carrying an LLC in California, same situation, except for it's $800 per year. So it just depends on your situation and what you're trying to get into, and your budget too. So I hope this helps. If the video helped you out in any way, and if you're still watching, can you type in "that's nice" in the comment section? Hit the like button if you got some extra time, and remember, anything's possible. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.